Hi, my name is Molly Coe. I'm the Senior Staff Attorney with the Immigration Project at Volunteers of Legal Service.
Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer. I'm the Community Advocate at VOLS, and today we will be covering a couple of different topics that we have seen are affecting our clients, and this is only for informational purposes.
Not legal advice.
Great.
All right, Jennifer, take it away.
Great. So again, these are resources during COVID-19 that we hope are useful to you. Okay, so first of all, let's start with DACA renewals. As many of you may know, DACA is in the Supreme Court, and there's still a lot of information we have yet to know regarding what the decision may be, which is expected to come down anytime between today and June 20 of 2020. But we still encourage everyone to submit their renewals if they haven't done so already. Remember, you can renew up to 1 year before. So let's say your DACA expires May 15 of 2021. That means you can submit your renewal May 15 of 2020. There's some financial assistance available through other organizations, and if you need to, we can help you apply for those if you need it. Great. We've also had inquiries about unemployment insurance. Just so you know, in New York State, anyone with valid work authorization, including DACA, can submit unemployment insurance claims. Just remember that your work authorization has to remain valid throughout the time that you're making this filing and throughout the time that you're filing certifications. Now, you can do a new file based on your last name. So if your last name starts with A through F, you file on Monday, G through N, you file on Tuesday, O to Z, you file on Wednesday. And if you've missed your initial filing date, you can file between Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. There's two ways you can file. You can file through the phone, you can file online. If you file online, they should be calling you within 72 hours to finish your filing application. And then there's the so fun, exciting taxes. So if you may know this already, but the deadline to file your federal taxes was extended to July 15 of 2020. I know a lot of you may be looking for assistance. This can be a very complicated topic, but there are tools available that you can use to file on your own. Such tools include TurboTax. They have a free filing system online if you earn 36,000 or less. And there's also a free filing tool that you can use called My Free Taxes if you earn $36,001 up to $66,000 a year. You can find these tools on the IRS page. And then there's the stimulus check. So you are eligible to get a stimulus check if you filed your taxes for 2018 or 2019. You have to have a social security number that is still valid either through your work authorization, which means your work authorization has to be valid as well. You cannot file for a stimulus check you're not eligible for a stimulus check if you can be claimed as a dependent on somebody else's tax return, which is usually a student, or if you're still dependent on your parents. You should receive a direct deposit payment or a physical check depending on what you wrote on your tax returns. Besides this, you don't need to do anything else. You can track your payment using the IRS tool, and you can find this tool on the IRS webpage. Now the census. There's still time to to complete the census. Remember, this is really important. It helps provide funding for neighborhoods, for public services such as school, health clinics, parks, and recreation centers. It also determines how many seats each state gets in Congress, so it's very important, and you can also make a difference. So you can complete your census regardless of immigration status. There are strong legal protections that keep your personal information private, and this information is not shared with local, state, or federal agencies. ICE cannot use this information, and you can complete the census in 3 ways: online, by phone, or you'll get a application on through the mail. Now remember, if you are sharing a living space and the census does not have your name on it, you can fill it out separately online. And then there's housing. So on May 8th, Governor Cuomo extended the moratorium for evictions for residential and commercial tenants until at least August 20th of this year. During this period, you cannot be evicted. No court exceptions can hear any eviction cases. And unfortunately, you are still required to pay rent. And landlords may still send you letters asking you to pay whatever money they claim you still owe. But remember, this is not an eviction notice, and they do not have the power to evict you without a court ruling. Now, if you do see that there's a city marshal that are executing warrants of eviction, there is a number shown on the screen that you can call to report this, because they're not allowed to do so. Right. And now, if you have any questions, you can feel free to contact our hotline number, 347-521-5722, or you can feel free to give me a call at 347-521-5704. Sorry, that's a mistake. It should be 5607. Or you can definitely call me at send me an email at jguzman@volsprobono.org.
Thank you very much, Jennifer. All this information is incredibly helpful. So thank you for putting it together. The other thing that I would say to VOLS clients is, we are all still working. As you can see, we're working from our homes. We're here to support you. So if there is something that we didn't cover in this video, if you have questions about something else, please feel free to reach out to us. We are not experts in all areas of the law, but we will do our very best to try and point you in the right direction. So hopefully see you soon.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.